Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming to you with a really cool product. This is the X Mini Click 2. You can go to the website at x-mini.com. This thing is really surprising and amazing little speaker. At first I thought, oh God, it's just some little cheap speaker. But wow, it does great with calls. It does great with playing music and everything else. Fits snugly in the palm of your hand. You can pair two of these X Minis, Clicks 2s together, where you can enjoy true wireless stereo audio performance, and it's a great pocket portable speaker. And it's built in remote camera shutter, so you can listen to your favorite tracks and capture favorite moments with the camera on your phone. Pretty darn amazing, and it works awesome. It comes in 3 different colors. I gotta tell you, I was very impressed with this product and highly recommend it. Let me just give you some sound samples from it, and you can kind of see. We work great for phone calls and work great for music, and was great for just, being able to put it in your pocket, take it wherever you wanted to go, or backpack or wherever. Just a great little speaker. Doesn't take up much room, but has a wonderful presence of sound. Anyway, check it out.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. Can you hear me pretty good?
Oh, yeah, really good.
Oh, cool. All right. Sounds good then. So overall, I think it's a great little product and very inexpensive. And it's just going to rock and roll for you. Go to x-mini.com. Check out the X Mini Click 2.